Well, going back to 2023, one of the central pieces of the SONA of President Bongbong Marcos back then was the Maharlika Fund. What accomplishments have we seen from Maharlika Fund?
Wow, we have yet to see a publicized report ng Maharlika Fund kasi nung nag-umpisa siya, ang sarap pakinggan. For the first time, may wealth fund ang Philippines. Ginagaya natin yung mga most advanced nations na magpapayaman sa ating bansa. Pero since public fund ito, dapat rin-report yung Maharlika Fund yung performance nila. Kapareho ba nila yung PhilHealth Fund? Kasi yun yung malaking question po kasi ang kinakatampo ko ng konti kay President PBBM, may malaking issue na lumabas pagdating sa PhilHealth. Public fund po yan, dapat minamanage ng maayos. Ang daming accusation na ninakaw yung pera ng PhilHealth. Pero bakit hindi niya inimbestigan? Sir, baka gusto mong palitan na yung mga tao doon at gusto mong i-prosecute yung mga tao doon para makita ng taong bayan na maganda yung oversight natin sa public funds at gawin mo yun sa Maharlika Fund. Sir, i-report nyo sa amin kung gaano kagaling yung performance ng Maharlika Fund ngayon kung tama ba yung expectations namin nung umpisa.